Ready to rumble? We're throwing HBO Max and Netflix into the ring for a streaming showdown. First up, HBO Max. Known for its prestige television, it boasts high-quality originals like The Last of Us, Succession, and the entire HBO library. That's a huge catalog of critically acclaimed series. Then there's Netflix, the streaming giant. It dominates with a massive library of content, from blockbuster movies to binge-worthy series like Stranger Things and Squid Game, plus a ton of international content. Let's talk dollars and cents. HBO Max's ad-free plan is typically pricier than Netflix's standard plan, but there are cheaper options available depending on bundles. Netflix has multiple plans, each with different features and pricing. User experience matters. Netflix's interface is generally considered more intuitive and easier to navigate. HBO Max has made strides but can feel a bit clunkier at times. Compatibility is key. Both platforms work on virtually every device imaginable. You're covered whether you're on your phone, tablet, smart TV, or game console. The verdict, it depends on your priorities. If you crave high-quality, award-winning dramas, HBO Max wins. If you want sheer volume and diverse content, Netflix takes the crown. Ultimately, the best streaming service is the one that best fits your viewing habits and budget. Do your research, consider a trial if available, and happy streaming.